Alright guys, you are the absolute best and thank you for arriving to this video. We are very excited to have another episode of Mystery Box. What could it be in the box? It's a mystery. We'll never know.
I knew it was gonna hit me, dude.
It's an Aaron Kyro. There's an Aaron Kyro.
What in the world?
Oh no.
Pad 1? Pad 1. What in the world? Look at those trucks. Those are the sickest trucks I've ever seen, ever.
The most technologically advanced mall grab.
Is there a note in there? Nothing?
No note.
We probably should put these trucks on a normal board.
Wait, how are they mounted on there?
They just mount.
Weird. It really is a pretty board though.
Isn't it pretty? No, mystery box. Ow! Oh my! I'm bleeding everywhere.
Well, we know what the hazard is on this board now. It's bad.
My nail still hasn't fallen off.
Oh my.
From the...
There's one thing I really want you to try. Just hold it like this and just shake it up and down.
Shake weight?
Yes. Oh wow. Dang. That was slightly a letdown.
So
How's this though?
Oh yes.
Ooh, yeah. Pad 1, go. Pad 1, launch.
Bungee.
If you can make it go. What in the world?
It's just like the free skates.
You jumped on it, okay.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at those hips move.
I was listening to Shakira on the way here.
You know who wouldn't have a hard time on this? Master of ripsticks.
Alright, try one kickflip. And then you're next, buddy. You know how usually you twist your foot and like the grip stays still?
Yeah,
This is weird.
with
This is weird.
No way. When he stood right here, it was about to break. Gabe, you're gonna break it.
I'm flabulous.
Wait. No, don't push me. Don't.
Aaron?
Go, ripstick master. Ripstick master.
Just don't push. No, you missed that. See? That thing is...
Kickflip. Oh, who's got the slow-mo? What are we doing? Seriously, how did Carlos ride that though?
You
Hurts
actually
my
got
back
that.
just to look at it. Ow!
You want me to show you how?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you how.
I'm skeptical on the middle part. It's kind of flexy. You know? I don't want to land on that middle part. I want to land on
Oh,
the grip.
Gert, don't be scared.
As long as this is going for the gram, I got you.
Hey, Aussie, does it actually explain like what this is for on the website?
It's for kick flipping.
No! No!
Did it really?
Man down.
I landed it.
It's going wrong. What?
Oh.
No.
All right, Notification Squad, we have a special contest for you in this video today. You are going to count how many times Carlos falls in this video. You're gonna leave that number below with the hashtag Notification Squad. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you like, that you shared the video, and you have your notifications turned on, and you'll be entered to win a prize package.
Oh, that was freaking cool.
We can fix this, it's okay.
What are you gonna do here?
I'm gonna hack this. You'll see.
Can't believe Carlos broke it.
I know, he breaks everything. See? Duh.
Wow.
He will build your house.
Oh no.
Weird science!
Now not only do you have screws going into your foot, but you have red hot screws going into your foot.
Anyone else got a spark?
Thank you! It's the most fun I've ever had. No, no! Go ahead. It's not bad.
God. Hold on.
Carlos down to 3.
Oh, 3. I can't even steer it. Hold on. Let me see if I can
Or,
make it down.
yeah, let's take it down the banks first. I think that's fair. Oh! Happy to let you know that we got a basketball hoop for you.
Fisher Price?
Yeah.
Dude,
Nailed
awesome.
it.
Yes.
Happy belated birthday.
Thank you.
Theoretically, if you completely turned it, you could just spin in circles, right?
Let's keep that position.
Yes. Yes.
I'm getting dizzy.
All right, Carlos, be careful.
Yep.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I told you to be careful.
I said okay. Happens.
Oh my god.
Jeez.
Wow.
I should have done that.
Oh! Carlos gone rogue. Oh, you got that. Oh. No. Whoa!
Wow.
Whoa.
That was really you all. Do a drop. You do a drop in.
You do a drop in.
Yeah, go ahead. You do a drop in.
I'll do a drop in.
Will you do a drop in?
I'll do a drop in.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm just trying to think how not to fall.
All right, that was warm up. Now take it to the
Let's
mini.
try the other one. Gabe, you just want me to fall. Yeah.
No, we don't.
No, we don't. We would never wish that upon you,
Put
Luke.
the moon shoes on.
All right, mini ramp it up.
Fetty.
Wow!
Straight into the
I
grind.
was not expecting that. All right, someone's got an axle stall drop in too. Whoa!
Guys, I'm sick and tired of you guys.
You got the axle?
I think so, yeah.
5-0 drop in.
Where was he gonna go from there?
Don't know.
Should we just screw the other piece in so it's just?
Yeah, then we can actually do stuff on it.
Okay.
Let's hack it again before our guys get hurt. Now we can officially hack it.
Nobody will understand how hard that was. Look.
Dude. Yes. Well, go ahead and take up the entire workbench, guys.
Oh, it's not like we're working or anything, Gabe.
I'm not trying to get the next video ready or anything.
Shh, I would have been done already.
Do we need the fire? Is it really appropriate?
Yeah. This is why you're a professional house builder.
That's right.
Hopefully we can actually do some stuff.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Blunt to fakie off. Are you even trying?
I was trying it when. Pew!
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
My whole body went numb. I just want to sit here.
Eddie, are you okay?
I won't let this board beat me.
Blunt to fakie off.
No, don't get rogue. They can't even ride up.
Isn't that messed up?
He's like a circus freak.
I know.
Big bag.
Oh, right when I'm about to go for it, just throws me off, dude.
Why is Fetty so good at this?
Oh. He like manuals it in the middle, so he doesn't lose his balance. You look closer.
Well, that's just cheating.
You think he's got it right here?
Yeah, first try, right here. Yeah, jump juice.
No way! What? How did you do that?
I just said, Jamba Juice, stay on.
Pointless.
Why?
It's not worth it.
Someone's allergic to that.
Wow!
Full send.
You know what you could do? It's like primo stall and then just slide it down.
Oh, then like power slide down?
Yeah.
I'll try it after.
I wasn't paying attention, I was just going to film. Yes.
I barely blocked that with my hand.
Full send.
Got it.
Oh! I think that counts. All right, Carlos, it all comes down to this.
I just gotta lean forward, that's all. Oh God, you saw that.
Does anyone want to take it to the stairs? You good?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, boy! All right, I think we take it to either the 3 or the 5 and call it a video.
3.
He's gonna do it first try, calling it.
Fetty, we do have to get a no slide before we're done with this thing, somehow.
Oh
yeah.
God.
Carlos did the 3, right? Fetty's gonna do that. I guess that means you for the 5, right?
Or you.
I'm the filmer, I don't see it. Cash bet on this no slide.
Cash bet on this no slide. I will give you $3 right now to no slide the 3 stair. Nothing. What are you gonna do? Ow.
That's where all my bruises are. The same spot.
Ooh. No way. Ouch.
There you go, there you go. Jeez. Oh!
Thought I had it too, man. It's messed up.
All right, Fetty, what's your comprehensive review?
What do you mean?
Out of 10, what would you rate it? How was your experience?
Out of the box, about a 2 out of 10. I don't like the ripstick kind of stuff.
He's just a hater. He's just being a hater. It's sick. But
I don't prefer it.
Okay, well, give me this. The second you saw Carlos get on it and you saw his legs go like this and his hips were gyrating, how did you feel about it then?
2.5.
I think it's sick. I think things like this that are just so awkward and weird are awesome.
I wonder who's like really professional on these. You know, there's probably somebody who actually knows a lot of tricks on this thing.
And can do like crazy stuff and just gets on and you're like, what in the world? And they're like,
Yeah.
all right, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. We had a blast making it, and these guys killed it.
It was definitely a fall frenzy video for me.
Leave it in the comments below. How many falls did Carlos take in this video? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are awesome. As always, the notification squad, leave it in the comments below. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you have your notifications turned on, that you like and you leave a comment below, and share this video. We will see you in the daily video tomorrow. We upload every single day, 10 a.m. And actually, we have 3 channels. We're uploading every single day on 3 different channels, so definitely check out Braille Army and the Braille Gaming channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys are the absolute best. Peace!
Found a good use for this.